Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial. How to change your Citi credit card PIN through the app in 2025. If you're looking to boost your account security or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted in no time. With Citi's app updates for 2025, the process is even more user-friendly, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Citi mobile app installed on your smartphone. Head to your App Store, update if needed, and then open the app. Once you're in, log in with your current username and password. For extra security, the app might prompt for biometric verification like a fingerprint or Face ID. Go ahead and use that if it's available. Now, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Settings or Account Management section, usually represented by a gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on that and scroll down until you find Security Settings or something similar. Here, you'll see an option for Change PIN selected to proceed. Next, the app will ask you to enter your current PIN for verification. Type that in carefully, then choose a new 4 to 6-digit PIN. Remember, make it strong, mix numbers and avoid obvious sequences like 1234 to keep your account safe. After entering your new PIN, you'll be prompted to confirm it by typing it in again. Double check for any typos. Once confirmed, hit the Submit or Change PIN button. The app will process your request, and you might receive a confirmation message or a one-time code via text or email. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. Your new PIN is now active. A few quick tips. Always change your PIN in a secure, private location with a stable internet connection. If you run into any issues, like the app freezing, try logging out and back in, or contact Citi's customer support through the app. This process is designed to be quick and secure, taking just a couple of minutes. There you have it, you've successfully updated your Citi credit card PIN for 2025. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.